Good morning, guys. It's a lovely morning. Today is Friday and it's 8th May 2026. This is what we were looking at yesterday. So, real quick, let's do a review, a recap of yesterday's trade. So, we were looking for potential buys above this level. Remember, our signal for the potential buys is a candle closure above our level, which happened when this candle closed above our level. Once this candle closes above our level, this is when we start looking for the entries here now. So once this candle closed, I placed my buy limit here at this potential buy level here. It was activated. The market came tapped it at what time was it? At 12 p.m. Once it was tapped, there was a rejection. You can see this rejection here. The market rejected this level, closed above our TP1. Once I saw this, remember I told you Friday to trade carefully. On Thursday. Yeah, that was yesterday. So once the market closed, once our buy limit was activated, market came, closed above our TP1, closed above this level. I moved my stop loss to break even here. Is where my stop loss was now after the market closed above here. So he pushed, came, tested this TP1 level. The TP1 level was retested here again. Market pushed to TP2, came, retested the TP2 level, pushed to TP3, retested the TP3 level, pushed to TP4, all the way up here. So we hit TP1, 2, 3, and 4. On the risk management side, this is how I was trading my trade. Yeah. Once we hit TP3, my stop loss was down here. It was missed by a very few points here. My stop loss was here. Once we broke above again here, once we broke above here, moved my stop loss to here. Once I saw this candle closing, once this candle came here, here's where my stop loss was as I was hitting TP4. Here's where my stop loss was. So I had locked in already. I had my profit locked in already. In case the market had decided to just come here, I would leave with my what I had taken for TP1, TP2, TP3, and I would still be in profit. So that's how you risk manage your trades. So real quick, we didn't get any sales. Where we are looking for the sales. This is where we are looking for sales. We never got any. So real quick, that was our win, our fourth win on the week. It was a win on Monday, a win on Tuesday, a win on Wednesday, and a win on Thursday. Those are 4 wins in a week, which is very good. It's been a good week. Today, let's see what we expect. Today we expect the NFP. The NFP data is coming out today. We have some high. Oh, there's a French bank holiday today. But on the USD, this is what you expect. The average hourly earnings month to month, the NFP, and the unemployment rate. These are three different economic news that high impact news that will be affecting the USD today. So expect some volatility, high volatility, spikes in price. If you don't know how to trend the fundamentals, at 315, at 315, If you're already in a trade, close your entire position and just wait for the volatility to settle. After all, it's Friday. If you've been in trading all week, you've made profits from Monday, you don't have to risk your capital here. Capital preservation is also part of this game. It's part of the business. It's part of the business. Preserve your capital. So there was also some tweets from Trump. And this is what he had to say. Three world-class American destroyers just transited very successfully out of the Strait of Hormuz under fire. There was no damage done to the three destroyers, but the great damage done to the uh, but the great damage was done to the Iranian attackers. They were completely destroyed, along with numerous small boats, which are being used to take the place of their fully decapacitated navy. These boats went to the bottom of the sea quickly and efficiently. Missiles were so basically is escalation, not de-escalation. Okay, so this we could see gold pumping up, and we expect some high impact data news today, so it could really move the market today. So be careful, risk manage your trades well, stay out of the market at 3:30 p.m. If you don't know how to trade the fundamentals, I'll drop a video of how I trade the fundamentals, because I do trade NFP and I'm going to trade it today. So real quick, let's remove this. So I'll drop a video for you on how I trade these fundamentals. I'm trading NFP today. So let's remove all of this, remove the drawings, start our analysis afresh. We start on the 1 month top down analysis. Top down analysis, we start on the 1 month. This is what you have on 1 month. That is our resistance there. Our support is down here. On the weekly, our support is down here, resistance up here. On the daily, we have our support down here, our resistance up here, that is our resistance, our support. Okay, I prefer to use the body there. Support, resistance, we have this active candle. That's why I'm not going to use the body here, because it's already above. If I decide to use this level here, this active candle is already above our level. So here, let's use the wick. Jump down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, this is what you're looking at. There was a break of structure above here. So this is our support here on the 4 hours. Let's use the body there. That's our support there on the 4 hours. Our 4 hour support is there. 4 hour resistance is here. Also here, let's use the body now. So this is our support. For our support, for our resistance, basically the high and the low is the higher low is the higher high. Okay, so that's what support and the resistance is. But now we are using the body, not the wicks. Okay, we're not using the wicks here, we're using the body. So jump down to 1 hour. On 1 hour is what you are looking at. Is what you're looking at 1 hour. We had this break of structure here. Is a low, a high. Nothing has been broken here again. We have this active candle here. So our support, 1 hour support is there. Our 1 hour resistance is up there. You see that? Okay. And here, let's readjust this to the body here. I'm going to readjust that to that body there. So this is what we have here on 1 hour. Jump down to 30 minutes. And on 30 minutes, there was a break of structure here. Nothing else here. So here we have a support here. This was at 7:30. We have our 30-minute support there. Our 30-minute resistance is up there. Okay. Also, I believe that's what you have on 15 minutes. You see, we're in this consolidation phase here. There's another consolidation phase here on 15 minutes. So this is how I would trade. This is how I would take this trade here. Let's this is how I would take the trade here. Move that one there and move this one here. So we're moving it to the bodies there. Moving it to the bodies, moving that to the bodies there. So for the cells, I would want to see a candle close below that level. That is our level for the cell. If I get a candle closing below that level, that would signal a sell. We'll take the sell there. We would look for the potential sells here. And if I get this candle here closing above this level, this active candle, if it closes above this level here, we would take a buy. That would be our potential buy here. We'd look for buys here. So let me label this. That's our potential buys. Potential buys above. And potential sells below. But for that, I would like to see these candles closing above this. I would love to see these candles closing love to see that candle closing above that level. That is on that the 30 minutes candle. This one here, this active candle on 30 minutes, on the 30 minutes time frame. I'd want to see it closing above this level, which would signal that the market wants to push up. That's where I would look for my entries here. I could place a buy limit here or jump down to the lower time frame, that is 30 minutes, and look for my entries around this level here. For the sales, same thing. I would want to see the market close above. I would want to see a 30 minutes candle close below this level. If we get a 30 minutes candle closing below this level, that would signal that would be our signal for our sale, and that's when I would start looking for entries. Sell entries. I could place a sell limit or an impulse sell based on the conditions. I could jump down to 15 minutes, see how the reaction will look for, see a rejection around this level. Okay, so that's how I get into trades, and this is what we are looking at today. This is what we are looking at today. This is where we are stuck on the 30 minutes. If we break out, this is what I will be trading today. So for the buys, the levels to watch out for the sales, I don't want to push it to TP1, TP2 here, and TP3, TP3, TP4, and perhaps even TP5 around here. On the other side, on the buy side, you have this level here. We have another level here. We have another level here. And another one here. I think that's far enough. Let's view it on the 4 hours and see. Yes, that would be fine enough. That's as far as I would want to take the market. That's as far as I would want to take the market. On the sell side, I'd want to take the market down to this level here. I'm going to take the market down to this level here.